the Corlette store. We're going to buy fish and chips. Yeah, there is a party going on, maybe family party. We stop here because there is you know, husband and wife, and they are HHWW, holding hands while walking. And I don't want to disturb them. Yeah, we can go now. We're not going home yet. We're going to stay there a little bit. You know, I saw this thing and I was curious, and I touched, and it looks like this, and it's Jim Beam. I don't know exactly what is this. And then when I open, there is something like a cigarette. I don't know. Yeah, I don't like that. Maybe dangerous, right? Yeah, we're back here again, and we're going to buy a coffee. I don't know, this is now my new favorite coffee shop because the coffee in there is now tastes bitter. So I move here. Yeah, there is always a 10-cent surcharge whenever I'm buying less than $10, anything, coffee or yeah, anything else. It's okay, 10 cents is okay, mate. Yeah, we stop here because a lot of people there walking. Oh, I thought that car is coming here. You know, I always see this warning. You know, most of the park here in Australia, I don't know, here in South Wales, there is these rules. As you can see, no fires permitted because, you know, the bushfire is dangerous. No campings or caravan, no alcohol, no dogs, no horses, no bikes, trikes, motorcycle, no golf, no archery, no littering, no damage to park facilities, no glass. And that one, the no bike strikes, whenever I see that warning, I just keep on walking, holding my bike. I think that's what they are trying to say. I don't know exactly. Look at that. I think this is a jellyfish. Yeah, I don't want to touch it. Maybe it's dangerous. The first time I've seen jellyfish was on that side. And you know, this is done. I just can't throw it right away here because, you know, I care for the nature, and even myself, I don't see any garbage here, so I don't want to do that. You know, that is one of the habit or attitude of the Filipino. Yeah, being Filipino is we are like we can easily adapt with the culture of other nation. If you notice, there are many Filipinos around the world. They are working there just like me, and we can easily adapt with the culture and attitude of the people in the other country. Yeah, if in the Philippines they are throwing garbage everywhere, they don't do that in another country. Yeah, together we will be, baby. You will take a time. I'm gonna love you till the end. I'm gonna be your really true friend. Your seconds when I see the light. Scooter? I don't like scooter. I still prefer bike, mate. I think you must be the only one for me, 'cause you took me right out of the blue. Wow, this building is nice. Maybe it's a hotel or just apartment. I am not sure. It looks good in here. Afternoon. Everything with a love below her wings. You know, the road in this area is not really good. It's like a rough road. I don't know why it's become like this. It is also an asphalt, but you know, maybe because it is old already. Oh, this guy's coming from fishing. Yeah, like what I've said, those are some of the activity of the people here. After work, they go fishing or they go snorkeling. They do water activities. I never felt crazy like this before. Yeah, this part is now the Fingal Bay. Fingal Bay is the final destination of the bus coming from Sydney and Newcastle. When I was new here in Port Stephen, my landlord take me with his car and we roam around Port Stephen, and this is one of the places where he brings me. Yeah, this is basically the place to see the whale. Yeah, this is the area to watch the whale, because you know there is a season where the whale are traveling from another country to another country. Yeah, and that is already the Tasman Sea. If you go straight there, you will reach the New Zealand. Yeah, as you can see, this one whale watching platform. These are some of the whales that people see in there. Nice. Yeah, animals are good in the environment. Like humans, they are equally important. We go. You know the time? It is now 7 o'clock and it's still bright like this. Amazing. And you know, that is one of the reasons why I want to go to Alaska and USA. Yeah, I want to experience the long day. What is that? Long daylight day. Is that the right word? Yeah, I want to experience that. Yeah, there is a road here. There is a small pathway here. We're going to explore. I don't know what we're going to see here. Oh yeah, basically there is a one caravan here. A caravan park. Yeah, if I am not mistaken, there are people who are permanently living in a caravan like this. But this is normally a just for vacation, but yeah, I think I've seen, I'm not sure, but I've seen in the news that there are people who are permanently living in the caravan like that. I think it is cheaper to live in there. They are renting in a caravan. I don't know. I think it's good to stay in a caravan because they have like facilities like swimming pool and a gaming area, a playground. Maybe. The name of this place is Fingal Bay Haven. I can see one fat tire bike similar to my one. Yeah, I want him to go through first. Awesome. It's an ordinary bike, not electric bike. It's good for exercise, especially for the legs. But for me, I can't do that because you know, it's really heavy without electricity. Yeah, and we are now back here in the Albura Marina. Yeah, and we're going home now. The time now maybe is 7:30. I am not really sure.